Here is our business model. We're going to launch a product as often as we can. It's simple as that, although it's going to require a lot of work. If you were just to have one product launch in a year, that requires a lot of work. If you're familiar with product launches, you know what I mean. Now, what we're going to be doing for this full-time income challenge is that we're going to try to launch a product as often as we can. I'm not going to be specific as to how many times a year we're going to be launching a product because everybody is different. I don't know what your work ethic is, and I don't know what your situation is. For example, you may have a big family. You may have 5 kids, and it's going to be a big challenge for you to do this business model. So launching a product maybe just 2 or 3 times a year may be a better fit for you. Now, if you are a single person with no commitments, nobody is dependent on you, then you may have all the time to launch a product more than once every month, right? So basically, I'm going to leave this up to you. Just focus on launching a product as often as you can. And the benefits of this is that you're going to be building a list of responsive buyers who you can promote affiliate products to. Okay, you're also going to gain more credibility and authority and get more exposure in the marketplace. And you're going to get more JV partners along the way. And the more you do this, the more you'll get better and faster at it. So then the next year or the following year, you might be able to double your output. Now, some marketers are able to launch every week, and some others are able to launch every 2 weeks, and some marketers are able to launch every month, and so on. And basically, these marketers who are able to launch frequently have a system in place, and they outsource a lot of things such as the product creation and the graphics and so on. Plus, they have the experience and partners and a team to lessen the workload. Now, if you're asking why should I launch a product every month or basically as often as I can, and the reason for that, from my own observations, I have seen people who launch frequently, they've gone on from 0 to building very successful online businesses. Now, of course, you can go ahead and just focus on one product launch per year. But in my opinion, what I don't like about that is what if that one product launch that's supposed to be the big windfall in your business, what if that one product launch fails? So basically, I would rather have, for example, I would rather have 10 product launches in 1 year and have, say, 3 or 4 of them fail and the rest succeed. So basically, it's all about working the numbers. And don't worry if your first few launches fail, right? It's a learning process. Eventually, you'll get better at it and you'll know what works. And one of the big keys to success, in my opinion, is persistence. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll see you in the next video.